Forget electric cars. Faraday Future just deployed its first humanoid robot in a Hollywood dental clinic. Is this a medical tech gold rush or a massive root canal for investors? That sounds expensive, Max. A company famous for troubled EV production is now trusting a robot named Master to run front desks. What could possibly go wrong? This is a brilliant commercial pivot. The Master robot isn't drilling teeth. It handles patient check-ins, appointment lookups, and speaks over 50 languages. So it's a six-figure iPad on wheels that's afraid of a dental drill. Talk about a gloriously over-engineered receptionist, Max.
The market loves a scale story. This isn't a one-off gimmick. They've already shipped to vacation rentals, car dealerships, and autonomous food delivery lines. Look at the numbers. By the end of April, 68 units were out the door, backed by over 1,200 paid pre-orders. The demand is real.
Dr. Jack Pye, the clinic owner, calls it a smart assistant that elevates the entire staff. It handles the mundane administrative chaos effortlessly. With 50-plus languages, it unlocks the diverse global healthcare market. It solves the front desk staffing shortage crisis in one single beautiful stroke. During their Q1 earnings, management highlighted robotics as a genuine, revenue-producing business line, not just some wild research and development concept. They are pacing toward 200 units in their first season, scaling up to 1,500 units for the full year. That is lightning fast. Chairman Jerry Wang is presenting the Unified Robotics and EV strategy on June 11th in Providence. The institutional money is paying attention. They've successfully moved from a struggling EV automaker to an elite embodied AI robotics player. That's where the massive wealth expansion lives. Let's bring this back to Earth. This company spent years struggling to produce a single luxury car. A sudden pivot doesn't cure historical execution risk. They shipped 68 units by late April but expect 1,500 by December? That hockey stick growth forecast smells exactly like a classic tech bubble. The humanoid robot sector is already crowded with heavily backed tech giants. Why would a dentist choose a car company's robot over specialists? Furthermore, a tablet mounted on a pedestal can handle check-ins and appointments in 50 languages for a fraction of the capital cost. A tablet? That's outrageous! It's efficient. Hardware is notoriously difficult. Maintenance, software bugs, and physical depreciation will eat into those thin commercial margins before they ever find profitability. But the upside is huge! Whoa, almost dropped it!
If a patient walks in with an emergency, a front desk robot that deliberately avoids clinical areas is completely useless. It's an expensive corporate ornament. This looks less like a sustainable commercial enterprise and more like a desperate attempt to keep the stock price alive before the cash runs completely dry.
Paid pre-orders don't lie, Barty. Over 1,200 buyers already put their hard cash down for this exact technology. Pre-orders can be canceled faster than a bad trade, Max. Call me when those shipments turn into actual unleveraged net profit. This is embodied AI. The valuation multiple isn't based on old auto manufacturing, it's priced on massive infinite technological disruption. A robot that hands out visitor badges doesn't deserve a tech disruptor multiple. That's just a glorified vending machine with fingers. But look, it's breaking out into the stratosphere. The June 11th event will prove the vision. They are hitting multiple sectors: hospitality, automotive, education, and medicine. That is massive diversification. Diversification or distraction? They couldn't master one luxury EV segment, yet they expect to dominate 4 distinct commercial robotics markets simultaneously? Fortune favors the bold, Barty! When the master robot takes over every lobby in America, you'll be buying the stock at an all-time high!
And when the reality of hardware manufacturing timeline sets in, I'll be buying your luxury office chair at a corporate bankruptcy liquidation auction.
The bottom line? Faraday Future is executing an incredible high-stakes turnaround. If they hit that seasonal delivery target, the upside is massive.
The real bottom line? Keep your eyes locked on the June 11th data and the next cash flow statement. Don't let a shiny robot distract you from basic math.
Whether you love the robotics pivot or fear the execution risk, This is one of the wildest corporate transformations on Wall Street. So, would you trust your dental check-in to a humanoid robot, or do you prefer a human touch at the front desk?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Wall Street cartoon showdowns.
Markets rise, markets crash, and Wall Street never sleeps. Thanks for watching Wall Street Cartoon. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next bubble.